Okay, let's take a look at the next problem, number 2 on page 8. It says determine the course from Cerberus Shoal, buoy number 9. They give us the latitude and longitude so we could find that. Okay, it's right here. To the entrance of Kwa Chung Pond, and they give us the latitude and the longitude. We plotted that in the last problem. It's up here. Okay, so they want to know the true course. All the answers are in true. So the true course, or the course made good, they mean the same thing, would be simply finding these two places, walking it over to compass rose, reading the course in true degrees. That's the outer ring on the compass rose. So I'm going to find Kwa Chung Pond or Cerberus Shoal, okay, which I've got already on the chart. And then I'm going to go to the mark on Kwa Chung Pond, which I've got right there, okay. Now I'm going to walk that over to the nearest compass rose. That's this guy right here. And I'm going to come just to the hash mark. The hash mark being the center of the compass rose, that crosshair, so to speak. Now I'm going to bring this over to the crosshair. And then I'm going to make a mark. And I'm going to read that course in the direction that I'm going. So again, I was going from Cerberus to Kwa Chung Pond, so I'm going in that direction, so I'm going to mark this side of the compass rose as opposed to this side. So my true course looks like 49 degrees. Okay, there it is, 49 degrees. Now, if you're off by a degree, maybe even 2 degrees, you probably still pick the right answer. Sometimes it's hard just looking at this to say, oh, is that 48 or 49? Sometimes it's in between. So it's not unusual to be off by just a smidge. But the second one, number 2, if you plot the two places correctly, okay, Cerberus Shoal is already there. So when they give you an aid to navigation, plot to the dot, okay? So the dot at the base of the buoy. The buoy looks sort of like this. Hopefully you can see me with a dot at the bottom. The buoy is a diamond shape with a circle, a dot. Plot to the bottom of the dot or to the middle of the dot, okay? If they say it's a light looks like an exclamation point. Use the little dot at the base of the light, okay? If the aid to navigation is already there, plot to the dot, okay, the base of the buoy.